wonderful people of the internet. I am sure you have all heard of the scoliosis tag. I think her name on YouTube is Scoliosis SURGERY. She made the scoliosis tag. It was my first YouTube video. So I kind of wanted to do an updated version, but I realized that the answers to those questions wasn't going to change that much, but so much has happened. So I've decided to make a scoliosis surgery tag, just talking more about surgery experience. I know that some of these questions I have answered previously in my other videos, but I thought I'd put it all in one video and put it in tag. That's fun. I think I've nailed it down to a few questions and I'm just going to power through them. Some are like short answer, some are long answer. Well, I sound like I'm doing some sort of test. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just going to get started. First question is, when did you have surgery? I had surgery in February of 2015 and I was 19 years old. Did you have surgery through the back or the side or both? So I had surgery through the back and the side. How many screws and rods do you have? I have 23 screws and 2 rods. What was your degree/degrees before and what are they now? Before it was measured about 82 if we're going to be precise, but around 80, and now it's like less than 10, so that's pretty cool. I'll put up a photo now so you can see and appreciate just what my surgeon did. What is one thing you remember from hospital? I can never choose which one. Okay, so I was in there for 2 weeks. I couldn't wash my hair at all, and the dry shampoo thing, I just didn't do it. I was just, nah. But I had this really nice nurse and she was like, I'm gonna wash your hair. And I was just like, how? I'm in bed. She's like, trust me. So I trusted her. She went away. I think she went into the ICU, so the intensive care unit place. And then she came back with like a shower cap and I was like, I don't understand. She's like, just wait and see. She took out my braids that I had in all week from surgery. She put the shower cap on, put all of my hair in it. My hair was dry, by the way, and she massaged it into my hair and then she took it off and my hair was clean and wet. And I was so confused because I was pretty drugged up as well. But it was just the most amazing thing. And then she brushed my hair and it was really lovely, and that just made my week. Made me feel so much better about myself. Did you have something you kept with you in hospital? Oh, I do. I have to go get him. So this is Alfred. Hi Alfred. This is my little hippo. So I kind of forgot to take something into hospital that reminded me of home. And I was admitted the day before my surgery as well. So my mum and my sister went to go to the bathroom and they came back with this little guy. He stayed with me for the whole 2 weeks and he helped me so much. Like, it is so comforting to have a stuffed toy. I love stuffed toys. I don't care that I'm really 20. Really soft and cute and cuddly. Really soft. Good job, mum and sister. You're the best. This is like a 2-part kind of question. Did you have pain before surgery? Do you have pain now and is it better or worse? I had a lot of pain before surgery. It was really bad. Just a constant thing. I do still have pain now. I have the pain of my healing ribs that with time, when they heal, hopefully will go away. I also have a pain sometimes that I get in my shoulder, and just because my muscles are still weak, and that is something that I'm working on. But it is better before surgery. I used to walk for 5 minutes and it used to hurt. And now I can walk like a few hours and I don't get a pain in the one spot in my back, and it's great. Guys who can walk without pain, oh, you're so jealous. And I'm one of those people. I mean, I still get tired, I'm still recovering, but I would say it's better. What is one pro and one con of getting surgery? My one pro is it got rid of my rib hump, which I am so happy about. One con is I can't slouch. Sometimes I just really feel like slouching. It was a big part of my life and I miss it a little bit. Also cracking my back. Can't do that anymore, which I used to love the sounds that I could make by cracking my back. It just felt great. Now I can't do it. But, you know, these are 2 things that you're not really supposed to do, so. What is your greatest achievement since getting surgery? Besides the whole getting through hospital and the weeks that followed, which was massive achievement. I've been doing Pilates again since 2 months post-op, and I am now basically doing everything that I did before surgery. I can touch my toes too. Yeah, so I think that's my greatest achievement because I'm doing some pretty hectic stuff at Pilates now that I didn't think I would be doing for a very long time. So I'm really happy about that and my progress there. What is one tip / piece of advice you would give someone who is about to have surgery or is recovering? Just give it time. It gets better. Week by week, you will see improvements. Also breathe. Breathing is so important. Like, I didn't realize how much your breath controls everything, and when I was in hospital and when I was in pain, I started freaking out and I just had to like control my breath and focus on my breath, and it helped calm me so much, and the pain wouldn't be as bad, because when you freak out, when you stress out, the pain gets worse and everything's heightened. And yeah, so just breathe and try to be calm. I think that's the best tip that I could probably give someone. What is one positive thing you have taken away from this whole experience? The knowledge that I have the strength to get over something like this. I didn't realize I had such strength, but to do something like this and to still come out the other side smiling. I have my bad days though. I'm just gonna put that one out there now. I still have my bad days, but I have focused on the positives, and yeah, I don't know. Hopefully I don't have to go through something like this again, but the belief that I am strong enough to like go through what life throws at me, I guess. Who will I tag? I tag everyone who has had scoliosis surgery. If you have not had scoliosis surgery and you're watching this, go to the scoliosis tag. I love hearing everyone's stories. They have been a massive part of my attitude towards things, and they have been so helpful. Hopefully by me telling my story, it's been helpful to you. So yeah, everyone do the scoliosis surgery tag, unless you haven't had surgery. Then it probably won't be a very interesting video. I will put all of the questions in the down bar thing below so that you know what they are and that you can answer them. Do the whole, can you like leave a video reply still? I don't know, I've never done it, but do that, or leave a comment linking me. Is that a thing either? I don't know. Somehow tell me if you've done it, I'll watch it, because yeah, I'm really interested. Everyone gets a spinal fusion, but everyone's so different. Everyone's recovery is so different. I know, it's really cool. Anyway, yeah, so hopefully other people do this. Go follow all of my social media. Not that I really have many. I've got Instagram and Twitter. Don't use Twitter that much because I'm not sure what to do on it. But Instagram is still a thing that I like doing. Any video requests, put down below as well, because I want to start doing videos more often, but I need ideas. Hope you're all doing fantastic, or faintastic. Get it? 'Cause fantastic. Alright, I'm gonna go. So, see you later. Have a great day. Also, did I just do like an introduction without completely stuffing it up? I'm growing. Cool. You wanna stay with me for the rest of the video? Sure, cool. And now, and there's a, and did you have, cool, cool. Hey, seriously, why is there a truck every freaking time? Every time I film. Lie, really? Cool, good job.